Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get more surveys and much faster than others. So first thing first, go to survey eligibility and make sure that you have all green check marks right here. So first things first, add your age to your Google account that you use for the Google Opinion rewards. Then allow notifications on your phone so you can get a notification when you get new survey to do. Then add gender to Google account. Right here, just click manage, and it will open your Google account settings. Then just put your gender. Also add your language preferences. Also click on manage. So just add your first language as English, then your native language. If it's not English, then some other languages. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. Bye.